Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies for you ngayong new moon in Aries. Yan, sa March 29, 2025, 6:57 p.m. Philippine time. And nag-start na yung spring equinox. So technically, Happy New Year sa inyo. And itong new moon in Aries is the start of a new beginning, a new chapter in your life, setting of new goals, and to finally take action. Kasi Aries is an energy of, being in command, being the leader, may initiative, and, to finally take action. So, some of you, Cancer, sa yung iba, nasa especially Cancer risings, the moon and the sun is in your 10th house of career. Maaring meron ka mga bagong trabaho, career, or business opportunities na gusto mong simulan, gusto mong i-explore. Kaya lang itong energy ng Mercury at Venus na naka-retrograde ngayon ay maaring nakaka-apekto sa clarity na meron ka, no? Parang hindi ka ganun kasigurado, maaring nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo if you can do it. Minsan may self-sabotage or parang nagkakaroon ka ng negative self-talk na kung kaya mo ba. Kasi ang ruler ng Aries is nasa first house mo, which is about yourself. So somehow may tension, no, sa iyong career path, yung trabaho mo ngayon, or career mo, trabaho, or business mo. Parang yung iba, parang nawawalan kayo ng gana, no? Nawawalan kayo ng gana. Pwedeng, maaring merong mga challenges sa katrabaho mo, nahihirapan kang mag-adapt, or merong hindi pagkakaunawaan. Itong energy ni Jupiter at ni Pluto, no, meron siyang positive aspect sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. So, Pluto kasi is the planet of transformation and change, so endings, new beginnings. It's in your 8th house. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, nagkaka-idea kayo of taking out a loan, kasi other people's money to na magnegosyo. Kasi a form of investment din to na maaring gusto mong pasukin. However, itong energy ni Jupiter, which is in Gemini, hindi siya ganun kakomportable sa Gemini, no, si Jupiter. Nasa 12th house mo yan, which is your mental health, your spiritual beliefs, no, or yung spirituality mo. Anything that is beyond your control actually, no? So maaring maraming gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon kung paano mo mapapaunlad yung sarili mo sa pamamagitan ng iyong career path, ng iyong trabaho. So parang kalaban mo yung sarili mo dito So kailangan i-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Venus is in Pisces right now, which is in your 9th house. I also feel na parang maaring iba gusto nyong lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng area, ng lugar, kung saan kayo nakatira or saan kayo nagtatrabaho. Because you feel like you want a new experience. Parang ganon. Like a new experience. I think, magiging klaro to sa inyo once na naging direct na yung Mercury at Venus. But at this time, kung hindi ka sigurado sa mga changes na gusto mong gawin sa career path mo, trabaho mo, business mo, pwede ka mag-hold back muna. Oo. Na wag muna. Kasi kung sigurado ka, then go for it, no? Pero kung hindi ganun ka buo yung loob mo, mahirap ituloy ang isang bagay kasi pwedeng pwedeng biglang mag-back out ka na lang sa kalagitnaan, 'di ba? Let's see what else. You have the Empress. very creative yung energy ninyo. I feel like gusto mong mag-improve yung situation mo ngayon. You want to bring in more abundance in your life. And you keep on thinking, parang nagre-reassess ka, pinag-aaralan mo yung sitwasyon mo, especially in your career or business, na ano yung pwede mong gawing step para ma-improve yung sarili mo. You have the Emperor. Emperor is being in control of your life. Someone na may plano sa buhay, no? Mahirap kasi na mag-take action nang wala kang plano. Kasi pwedeng kumbaga sa gulong na kumalas, magpapaikot-ikot ka lang kung saan-saang direksyon. 'Di ba? So, this is discipline as well. If you have the discipline para mag-improve, i-improve mo yung sarili mo, then you are on the right track. You have the Two of Cups. I feel like you need someone, no? Maaring iba sa inyo, kailangan nyo ng business partner or someone that will empower you, will inspire you. And kung iba naman sa inyo, you feel like walang ganyan sa buhay ninyo, this can be yourself. Talk to yourself, no? There's nothing wrong with that, no? Nakausapin mo yung sarili mo and, you know, finally harapin mo yung mga bagay na iniiwasan mo para mag-evolve ka. Queen of Cups, this is taking care of your needs, loving yourself more, kasi maaring focus ka sa pag-aalaga ng ibang tao, ibang needs ng ibang tao, at nakakalimutan mo ang sarili mo na alagaan din kasi meron ka ring needs. A win-win outcome is forecast. Oh, win-win situation. So, maaring meron kang decision na gagawin sa career mo, trabaho mo, na alin man dun yung piliin mo, you will win. Kumbaga, pa rin, winner ka pa rin. Meron ka pa rin mag-gain out of it. Okay? Hold your vision. So, kung meron ka mga pangarap, may mga goals ka, may mga plano ka, panghawakan mo yan and use that as a tool or gamitin mo yan bilang isang inspirasyon. To explore new things, try something new, to tap into your creative talents and skills. Maari rin yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong makikilala na person that will help you. Maaring itong tao na to tutulong sa'yo na mas makilala mo yung sarili mo. Someone who will care about your needs as well. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.